Like I hinted in the last video, today we are going to be fighting Sans, no matter how long it takes. Hopefully another 15 minutes. Alright, we're gonna play some Megalovania Remix, of course. Let's do this. Let's hope we can beat him. I can perfect the first attack. The second one, if I get lucky. Third one, I already know I can't perfect that one. Okay, well I got lucky. Third one, let's see if I can perfect. Yeah, no, I cannot perfect. The first phase, by the way, guys, I just don't heal any items at all. I no items, no healing items. Boop, 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 boop. Let's go. Let's do this. Ooh, that was close. Ooh, okay, that was a close one, but I'm good. I'm extremely good at Runo. So I was able to make it. Yes! Oh man, Megalovania. The remix of Megalovania especially, bro. It's just so cool, bro. Alright, this part, it can be a little tricky, but I can do it. That last part there is like saved me so much health. Okay. Let's go. Come on, keep them up there. That's fine. Okay, we're good. Alright, next one. Okay, yep, this is gonna be hard. Oof, come on. Gotta perfect this one. Didn't perfect it, but I still have at least a good amount of health. Okay, perfect. No! Fun. I've gone into Sans before with 1 health and I've almost beaten him. Yes! Okay. I tried to beat Sans so long. So if I could do it. Come on. Jumpity. And we can attack and he's tired now. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna stake, get myself to up to good HP, and let's do this, baby. Flashy time. Whoosh. Okay, I gotta time that now. Dodge. Gotta dodge them all. Okay, timed that. I timed that good. Oh, okay. Oh no, I got hit. Oh. Okay. Oh, we got bottom ones now. Okay. Dodge. Doge. Oh no. Okay, got hit a little. That's fun. I'm good with that. Doge. Dodge. Doji. Gotta dodge them all. Okay. Keep attacking. We got thick boys now. We got heavy attackers. We got the mini ones last time, now we got big boys. Waiting just doesn't seem like a good use of time. Come on. Good enough. I will legendary hero. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm fine with that. Come on. Okay. So he's starting to look real tired. Okay. I think if I attack one more time during this, then I might get him to do his final attack. Haven't gotten to his final attack many times, but hope I might be able to. Sans is preparing something? Alright, I'm gonna attack one more time. And then I think it might be final attack time. Dodge. Okay. Sans is gonna use my attack. I'm gonna go into the full HP. I still have Pi and a bunch of legendary heroes, so I'm a legendary hero. Get to full HP. Okay. I can perfect this one. Let's go. Come on. Yes! I got perfect. Okay, let's go. Dodge. dodge, dodge. Fast attack, fast attack, fast attack, fast attack. I'm about to take a few hits. Alright, let's go. Ah, come on. Dodge. Dodge. No. Okay, that's fine. I still have a little bit of HP. Dodge. Dodge. Come on, okay. That was a tough shot. No! Oh! I said you fall back! Alright, that's fine. That's fine. I can still go. I'm gonna beat Sans. I gotta beat Sans, bro. Seems like one good attempt will take me 5 minutes, so, let's go. I gotta get in it with just good HP. Like, I can dodge it. I can dodge. I just gotta, what happened to, what? Okay, okay, I'm just gonna kill myself real quick, because, what was that? Like, I think I was pressing the shift key instead of the, the right key. Instead of the up key. Okay. Music is so good. Come on. Oh, it's like I gotta... Yeah, the Minecraft music was getting a little annoying, sorry. No, I tripped, man. Come on. It's fine. I think I have like 1 or 2 more good attempts before my 15 minutes runs out, so I'm gonna try to beat him in that time. Come on. Well, let's go. Get that out of there. No more distractions. Let's go. Come on. That's fine. I'm fine with that HP. I'm good with that HP, actually. I'm completely fine with this. Yeah. Okay, good. That's good. I'm fine with that. Dodge. This time, don't mess it up. Okay, good. Dodge. Yes! Let's go. Let's keep going, boy. Come on. Yes! Okay, that's fine. Come on, keep in here. Yes! Let's go. This one, a little tricky, but with some good luck, I can perfect it. Let's go. Dodge that. Ruddy, dodgy, say, oh no. Okay. I see you, Sans. You ain't playing, Sans. Alright, I got you. Harder version. More like the same version. Oh, get roasted, Sans. Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh, I gotta take a little. It's fine. Okay, let's go. Okay. We're gonna be good. We chill. I'm gonna tell you chill. Okay, we got it. Sans is taking a break. Alright, there we go. We'll attack again. Dodgy. Dodge. Dodgy. Slicey dicey. Crunch. Okay. I'm gonna take my HP up good. I just don't bother moving. I'll take more damage if I try to. Your battle form begins? Alright, cool. I'll do real battle with these hands. Oh crap. Alright, that's fine. I don't take a little damage. My finger slipped. Okay. Okay, now we got big boys. We got the tanks. Yes! Okay. Good enough, I'm attacking again. Oh boy, that might have been a bad decision. Huffy Puffy! Dodgy! Dodge! Dodge! Yes, okay, Saints. Yes, we got Saints starting to protect. I only have 4 minutes left. Let's go. 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 So pretty tired there, Sans? You're starting to look a little tired there, Sans. Come on, Sans. Yeah, I know you're getting at least a little tired there, Sans. Come on, Sans. I know you're getting a little tired. Sans is preparing something? Alright, I'm gonna Legendary Hero, and I'm gonna see what Sans is preparing. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, attack. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, got this, 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 got this. Okay. Says preparing his final attack. Noodles, let's go. I can dodge this, I can dodge this, I can dodge this, I can dodge this, I can dodge this. Crap, I can't dodge that. Oh no, okay, no. Oh, crap. Shoot, no. No, I'm just gonna give myself the lowest HP possible moment of pie. Hopefully, wish me luck, guys. Yes! I got full HP. Let's go. Okay. Okay, I'm probably gonna heal. Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna get here 3 times. Okay, let's go. Doing better. Alright, let's go. Come on. Dodge it. Alright, time to shine in a shimmering light of glory. Come on. Oh my god, I'm almost there. Yes! Oh my god, I did it! Oh my god! I actually did it! Oh my god, I did it! Let's go! I just need Sans! Oh my god, let's go! Oh, I did it! Oh, I did it! Oh, I did it! Oh my god, I did it! Huff, puff. Alright, I guess you win. Yes! Oh my god. Ooh, let's go. Alright. That was me beating Sans, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was me beating Sans. Hope you guys liked it. This was extremely hard. Oh my god. Especially, like, I got these really weird, like, I usually practiced fighting Sans on my computer with a smaller thing. My up and down arrows are the same as my small computer, but these 2 big ones, they're the same as letters. So, like, it's really hard to move my hand, but somehow, I beat them. I beat Sans. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, like, I sure did, so. I sure did making my heart pound. So, yeah, I guess so. I guess I'll have to see you guys later. Bye-bye.